this topic contains the prevention of pollution by garbage from ships. The MARPOL Annex 5, it applies to all ships regardless of size, type, or area of operation. It governs the discharge, storage, and management of garbage produced on board. The number one requirements of MARPOL Annex 5 is Garbage Management Plan, or what we call GMP. It requires for ships of 100 gross tonnage and above, and ships certified to carry 15 or more persons. However, it must include waste collection, storage, processing, and disposal procedures. Number 2 requirements is Garbage Record Book, or also known as GRB. Mandatory for all ships of 400 gross tonnage and above or certified to carry 15 or more persons on international voyage. It also records all garbage discharges, incinerations, and disposal to port facilities. The number 3 requirements is categorization and disposal restrictions. Garbage is classified into several categories with specific disposal rules. This chart contains the types of garbage and also discharge allowed. Requirements of number 4 is special areas with stricter regulations. Some regions are classified as special areas, where most of the garbage discharge is prohibited. This includes the Mediterranean Sea, the Baltic Sea, and also the Red Sea. Requirements of number 5 is placards and awareness. Ships 12 meters or longer must display placards informing crew and passengers about garbage disposal regulations. The key requirements of number 6 is port reception facilities. Ships must discharge garbage at port reception facilities if discharge at sea is not permitted. Ports are required to provide adequate facilities for waste disposal. The key requirements of number 7 is enforcement and penalties. Non-compliance can result in fines, ships detentions, and penalties imposed by Port Facilities Control or PSC authorities.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.